Yo, what's up guys, this is Luca and you're watching Craftype. So if you have a GoPro, you know that the GoPro audio isn't really the best, and that's what we're gonna look at today. Today I will show you how to enhance your GoPro audio quality. So let's get started. So here's the GoPro I use. It's a GoPro Hero 6 Black, as you can see, and it's pretty much my go-to camera for action videos and doing some slow motion recordings to get that 240 FPS maybe. So the audio of this GoPro is pretty bad, and I'm gonna do a quick example here. This is me just riding mountain bike, and as you can hear, it's pretty bad if this wind is coming into the microphones. As you can tell, the wind noise is pretty heavy, and we're gonna try to fix that by using this thing right here. This thing is a foam cover. Actually, wait for it to focus. Yeah, you can't really see right now. You're gonna take that foam cover and simply put it over your GoPro. So let's do that real quick. Once the GoPro is in that cover, it's gonna look something like this. Now we're gonna test the wind noise, and afterwards I'm gonna pare the cover off and see what the wind would actually sound like. I'm gonna blow right into the microphone. Let's do that real quick. Turning the GoPro on. Okay, so that's the first test. And now I'm gonna peel that cover off. Yeah, nice. I will blow into the microphone again. And now you can see the test results. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think this thing enhances the audio quality so much. It's incredible. And it's only $5 or so on Amazon, so you can get it for nearly for free, I would say. And actually the GoPro microphones are doing a great job in terms of recording and capturing bass. So I really like that as well. But unluckily, when you're riding without the wind cover or doing some action sports, this bass is being created because of the wind, which is absolutely horrifying. And by using that trick, you can eliminate that wind bass that is being created. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe the video. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.